All right, guys, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So we got the Tekno ET410.2 Truggy right here. I took the body, shipped it all to my man Paul for some paint. Thanks to Bishop, he dropped it off for me at the track, and Paul usually picks up my bodies from there. Um, Not sure the color scheme I'm gonna go with yet. I don't know, but anyhow, I'll worry about that when he hits me up, really. But we have the Truggy pretty much complete now. As you can see, we got the shocks on there, the whole front assembly is on, the center diffs in there. Everything went together pretty smooth. I talked to Tony. Tony said I need to take this off right here, so I'll be yanking this off to give the chassis a little more flex for Mimi's track, high grip track. I got the tires. Bishop scooped the tires for me while he was dropping my body off. So I'm waiting to get those back so I can mount those up and all. But right now we have left to do the electronics. So here's the motor and ESC combination I'm using here. Let's see if you can see what this is. A Reds motor, 7.5 turns. All right. And the ESC is here. Right there. And let's see what, got a fan on it. There it is right there. Just the ESC, the TX120 Team Edition. All right. Once again, thank you, Bishop. Got that from him. He had an extra combination set up for me. Right here is the receiver pack we're using. This is by AGFRC. These are compatible with Fataba. So my 7PX shouldn't have no problem with hooking up to here. All right, so there it is. For servos, I haven't quite decided yet. I may use this AGFRC servo here. Let's see if I can show you some information on that. There that is there. Got this off Amazon. I like AGFRC servos. I really do. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use this and I'm not even sure if this will actually fit. You know what I mean? This is the regular size length, how deep it is. Or I have my Sendit RC servo. All right. The HV417. And we got that. And then I got some pinions here that I think I'm gonna go with a 16 or a 17 tooth pinion. I got some more pinions on the way from Amazon, but right now I got a 16 in here somewhere. I don't even know. That's 13, 15. Where is it? I think this is it right here. Yep, 16 too. So I think I'm gonna throw this on here for now until and I got these off Amazon also. But it's a hardened pinion. I think I'm gonna throw the 16 on here for now. I ordered 17 through 20 also. Tony said I should go with the 17 tooth, but I don't have it here now, and I want to get this finished up. So I'm gonna throw the 16 tooth on this motor, and it comes with all the set screws and everything here, and the Allen key too. And over here we got the batteries. Once again, off Amazon again. Tony and Bishop and I believe Reese run these. They told me which ones to go ahead and get. So I ran and got a set of these. It comes with the plugs, charging cables and everything here. All right, and here is the battery. It's a shorty pack. And like I said, they said it's a good battery, so we're gonna try it. 120C, 5200s. It looks good, but hey, if Reese and Tony and Bishop run them, hey, what would I be not to? You know what I mean? And we're gonna get all this on this truck. We're gonna finish this off. We're gonna make this a slider today. guys, I had to get y'all in close to this. I've never seen anything like this before. This is awesome. You can slide this thing back and forth. All right, get your mesh where you need it at. You know, adjust it here. That is awesome. I've never seen anything like this. Lock it down. Check the mesh again. Just a little bit of play. That's perfect. So I had to go on what was that? Cura and design this thing, man. I got this off Thingiverse for the 410. Had to kind of flip it though, 180, so it stands on end to finally get this thing to work. And here it is right here, printing out on the ender. Hopefully this time it works as it's supposed to. That is the wiring manager or protector, whatever you want to call it, for the ET410. And there it is, guys, all fit on there nice. It actually came out pretty good. It took me a couple tries, but it fit on there perfect. So now I can block that center drive shaft from the wiring. All right, and here we are, guys. We have all the electronics on here now, which was a bear. I mean, it was hard trying to squeeze all this, and they got the receiver down in there, all inside this opening, this little small opening right here. I seen online some people put the receiver back here, but I don't know. I figured I could get everything in there. The ESC I have sticks out a little bit further than I guess I was supposed to put it in there, so I kind of cut this little guard a little bit just to allow it to miss, but you can see it's flush, so that's not a problem. But the reason why I did that, because like I said, I was trying to keep, you know, all the wires away from this center shaft, even though we got this this nice 3D printed guard there. We're good, but what else we got? We got the servo in with the arm on now, and we have the link going over to the steering. I still have to straighten up the wires. I have to also put on the transponder. That's why I haven't you know, straighten the wires up and put tie wraps and everything on that yet. But everything is on here now. I swear this thing is so small, but everything is on it now. I just gotta I gotta finish putting the battery in, put the battery strap on the wing, and of course the body. You know, we got the fan on here. Got the fan hooked up to the receiver. It's blowing air on the motor as opposed to extracting air off of it. Everything went together smooth on this build. I'm excited about this. All right, so here is the MyLapse. I figured I'd let you guys know. A lot of guys don't race and don't really know what this is. This is the MyLapse transponder. Every time you go around the track, no matter where it's an oval track or if it's a course track, there's a wire that's embedded in the dirt or in the ground, in the asphalt or anything like that, and it tracks every time this thing passes it. Beep, beep, beep. That way you can count your laps. That way you know if you're getting better, slower, your changes have improved. It's kind of like the GPS version for when I'm drag racing for the most part. And it just plugs in, plugs in right into the receiver. In this case, it will be under channel 3, I believe. That's what I'm using, channel 3. Now, if you only have a 3-channel radio or receiver, you can also, like I said, you got the fan here that's plugged in. You can get a wire adapter, split it off, and just plug it right into there. Look at this body from Paul Rush. Looking sick. Matches my my 8-scale Truggy, actually. Oh man, this thing looks awesome. We have it all together now, man. It is looking fresh, looking so clean. One thing about clay is, you ain't really gotta worry about getting too dirty out there, so it won't get too bad. But man, this thing looks awesome. 10 scale. I love putting together kits. It looks perfect, man. Let's look and see what it looks like underneath this body right here. Got the Velcro on the sides. And it's looking a little bit bigger too, so I'm happy with that. So let's get this thing off. And that's it, man. So we got the good MyLapse on there in the back. Now I know some people say you should put it towards the front just in case you're neck and neck with somebody in the race, but I'm not going to be that way. At least not for a while. So we got it in there. We got the fresh battery packs in here, right? I also had to change this servo horn over. I had the aluminum one on there, and it did not fit. It didn't turn. So I had to change that up. Put the plastic one that comes in the kit until I find an upgraded version of this. The battery packs are on. Let me tell you something, guys. I had to get this right here. All right, this is an adapter, right? Let's see if we can, there you go. So from 5mm to 4mm, made by LRP. Got this from A-Main. There's a couple of ones out there, but this worked well. It's just an adapter. It slides down inside I got this one halfway down right there. Slides right down inside the battery pack, which is a 5mm, and then it allows you to go to a 4mm, right? And this one was just sitting on here. I just wanted to see how it fit. As you can see, it fits on there very well. Like I said, this is the negative here. So I'll just push that down all the way in and it locks in place. And then we can take and put the negative down inside there and it locks in. And then the same thing for the positive. Get this off of here. There it is. It just slides down in there in the barrel and just locks in place. All right, and then put the positive in there, just like that. And we'll route the cables probably underneath here, so it looks real neat. And then I need to do the setup on this ESC and glue some tires, but the body looks perfect. All right, man, this looks so good. So I'll probably put a couple Tekno stickers on here, maybe a couple on the wing. I still got a cutout right here on the wing, but it looks good, man. It came together good. Let's turn this on. Change this over to the right model. Tekno Truggy. Yep. All right, now turn this on. Everything works. Got the green light on the receiver. It's all good. And then we hit the throttle. All good, man. All right. So only thing left for me to do, and this build will be complete. Let me turn this off. The only thing left for me to do is glue up some tires, man. So I'm not sure which one I'm gonna go with. I think I'm gonna go with the AKAs this time. Well, first, actually, you know what? I think I got some other ones in here too. Yeah, I got some shit concepts too. I don't know. I got some. These are clay tires here. These are the Ellipse, right? Green compound. Supposedly work good on clay. I have these. I have some slicks. 2 different types of slicks. The AKA slicks. These are the slicks here for the AKAs. And then we got the Pro lines here. Also, Bald Eagles slicks. So I don't want to mess up my slick. I don't know how you can even mess up slicks, but I don't really want to mess up slicks. So I'm gonna end up gluing the J concepts, and I think I'm gonna go that route first. I got all kinds of wheels here. We got the yellow wheels, we got black wheels, and what else we got over here? I thought we had a set of white wheels too, didn't we? Let's see. Alright, yellow. Thought I ordered some. Oh, there we go. And then we got the white wheels right here. So I'm gonna end up gluing up all these because I'm gonna run them all. But don't know which one. Like I said, I think I'm gonna run with these J concepts first. Right here, these J concepts ellipse. I'm gonna put them on there first since I'm gonna be putting around the track until I get the hang of it. So anyhow, this build is complete for the most part, other than tires and getting out there and race or run. So man, I appreciate you guys, joining along with me on this. We'll get this on the track hopefully in the near future. But this was a wrap, man. All right, it's your boy Crucial, man, over here chilling with the 10 scales. I will see you guys in the next one, man. All right, out.